This video explains how to use the knobs. By using these two knobs, you can apply various effects to the sounds and control them dynamically. You can select which parts the effect is to be applied and set the specific functions to assign to the knobs. Here, let's apply the effect to the keyboard performance sound. Select the first voice, Gemini. Press the Assign button and call up the setting display. On the upper area, the part to which the effect is to be applied, the effect is shown. On the lower area, the functions assigned to the knobs are shown. The function for knob A is on the left side. The function for knob B is on the right side. This time let's try the default. The part to which the effect is to be applied is 1 keyboard. The function assigned to the knobs is 1 cutoff resonance. Turn knobs A and B. Maximize the value of the knob B. Then, change the values of the knob A. That makes the sound interesting and dynamic, like that of an analog synthesizer. To exit from the knob assign display, press the Shift button. Next, let's try these with the style sound. Select the style, 047 Brit-Pop Rock. Press the auto chord play on/off button to turn it on. And then, press the Start-Stop button to play back the style. Press the Assign button and call up the setting display. Select the part to which the effect is to be applied by rotating the voice dial. Set the effect applied part to a 2 backing. Set the function assignment for the knobs to 1 cutoff resonance. Turn knobs A and B as desired. This lets you play the keyboard and sound like a DJ. Try and enjoy various other combinations.